The Honeywell Commercial, Ductable, or Standalone 3-Stage Media Air Cleaner delivers powerful air cleaning for commercial and light industrial environments. These modular air cleaners operate separate from the HVAC system. Air flowing through this unit undergoes 3 stages of cleaning depending on the filters used. The first stage is a prefilter that captures large particles and is disposable. The second stage can include an ASHRAE filter, a DOP filter, or a set of 40+ pounds of CPZ filters. The third and final stage includes a set of CPZ filters that are specifically formulated for maximum efficiency at reducing a broad range of gases, odors, and VOCs. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.